This is a logo that I just created using ChatGPT. And this is also another logo that I created using ChatGPT. So basically, these two logos, they do look similar in the sense that they follow the same style. They are pretty much using the style from big tech companies that usually have this unique simple logo, but somehow they are quite memorable. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a unique looking logo with the style of big tech modern startup company, but for your own organization. And as always, this prompt is quite versatile. You could use it to generate any logo for any organization. Alright, let me show you how you can do it. First, let's navigate to chatgpt.com and then you can log into your account. Now, the prompt that you must use looks something like this. It is quite long because the instruction to create the logo is quite specific here. But basically, you can either pause this video and then you can manually write the prompt, or you can just go to the video description and then you can copy this logo or copy this prompt. Sorry about that. But while you're there, make sure to subscribe to this channel. It will be very helpful for my channel. Anyway, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to right click, copy, and then paste the prompt into ChatGPT. Now, we're not done yet because there are a few things that you need to provide to the prompt. Here, you have to give it a name. I'm going to use the name, let's say, Fit Dog. Basically, it is a company that is training dog. And whether I want to use a text in the logo, I think I don't want to use any text. And there is a description section that allows you to describe what is the logo is going to look like, or maybe you want to tell what is the industry, the target audience, the brand personality, etc. It is really up to you what kind of description that you want to provide to AI. For this section, I'll tell AI that this is a small company or maybe small business that offers a service to train a dog. And there you go. Yeah, that's the prompt. And after that, make sure to enable create image and then send a message to ChatGPT. Now, you just need to wait for ChatGPT to generate the logo for you. This process could take about 1 minute or so, so I'll be back with the result. Now, this is the result of the generation. I think it looks sick. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really good. Now, if you want to save it, you can click this download button. And if you want to edit the picture even further, you can use programs like Photoshop or maybe Illustrator. But if you want to use Illustrator, then you have to basically convert this into a vector image. And one tool that I recommend is Recraft AI. You can navigate to Recraft.ai, and by the way, the link is available in the video description. And then here I'm going to create a new project and I'm going to upload the logo that was created by ChatGPT. So later, this regular picture will be converted into SVG. So at some point, if you want to ask a designer to properly redesign the logo or change the color or maybe do some modification with the logo, you can do that because now you have the SVG format. Now I'm going to upload the logo right here. By the way, you can also click on the import image button. It doesn't really matter which method you want to use. You can drag and drop. You can also click the import image button. And then here is the logo. Now click on it and then click vectorize. So it is turning this rasterized picture into a vector, which again is going to be very useful for a designer to do a modification for the logo. And just wait until it is finished. There you go, it's very quick actually, and you can actually do some quick preview about what the logo would look like on a different color. You can click on these colors basically, and they do look quite interesting. Yeah, I think that's really interesting that this logo could have a different variation. But anyway, let's go back with the original color. And you can right click and then export and then select SVG. That's the format that you want to use for a logo, especially if you're planning to send it to a logo designer. But using PNG or JPEG is totally fine for a media presentation like in Facebook, Twitter, X, YouTube, etc. So that's how you can create a nice looking logo with ChatGPT and then converting it into an SVG format using Recraft AI. Again, all the information including the prompt and the links are available in the video description. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video.